Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody. Today I would like to present about our paper. The title is Development of Online Module Based on Discovery Learning to Improve Critical Thinking Ability in Basic Concept of Science at Primary School Teacher Education. This paper created by Nilam Tyas, me, Mrs. Casey Wulandari, Mrs. Panceti Purwati, Mrs. Altina Eka Andriani, and Mrs. Siti Mariatul Kitia. We are from Elementary School Teacher Education, Faculty of Education, Universitas Negeri Semarang. Education in the era of Industrial Revolution 4.0 is closely related to artificial intelligence, which integrates cyber technology in learning. Now, we have entered an era of Society 5.0, which is full of innovation in the technology. Education is one of the fields that directly implements developments from the era of Society 5.0. These technological advances have been very useful in assisting learning during the COVID pandemic. In this regard, lectures on basic science concepts also require the development of innovation in exploiting the potential of technology to carry out online lectures. Based on some relevant research, we know that the use of learning media and discovery learning model for distance learning has a positive impact on the achievement of learning objectives and student learning outcomes. Based on this, the authors had an idea of developing an arena-based module based online module with the discovery learning approach for the basic concepts of natural science course for elementary school teacher education at Universitas Negeri Semarang. The study aims to develop a discovery learning based online module to improve the critical thinking ability of elementary school teacher education students and to know the effectiveness of the module in improving students' critical thinking ability. The literature review consists of theory about distance learning, module, discovery learning, and critical thinking. This research is a development of the type of RNG, which consists of two main stages. The first is the preliminary stage, and then the second is the formative evaluation stage, which includes self-evaluation, expert review, and one-to-one, small groups, and field tests. The research subjects were 150 students of elementary school teacher education at Universitas Negeri Semarang, and the research was conducted for 2 months from the stage of preparing the material for the online module to limited project trials. This research uses data analysis techniques, descriptively and inferential analysis. Data collection is one of the important aspects in the success of this research. The instruments in the study were interview capsules, documentation, questionnaires, and pretest and post-test questions to measure critical thinking ability. The questionnaire in this study was used to obtain information or review from respondents on the online module being developed. The pretest and post-test instruments were used to measure the increase in critical thinking ability in the field trials of the developed module. Then the result and discussion consists of doing project development analysis, develop and breaking project, export validation and revision, small scale field test and project revision, and the last is significant scale test and fast project. The doing project development analysis stage includes preliminary stage to obtain information related to problems that require immediate solution. This stage can be referred to as a need assessment. This stage also considers input from students as research subjects, including determining the sample that will be used in a limited trial. Second, about developing beginning project, the researchers designed an online module that could be developed to suit the discovery learning systems, which include stimulation, problem statement, data collection, data processing, verification, and generalization. The syntax was suggested to be developed into an online module. The next stage is selecting appropriate platform to support the discovery learning-based module based on online module display being developed. The platform chosen is Element. Researchers also collect material and compile teaching materials from various relevant references to then make the material selection according to the curriculum as outlined in the semester learning plan, while still paying attention to the depth of the materials to be adjusted to the competence of prospective elementary school teachers. The researchers also suggested STEM evaluation questions to measure critical thinking ability according to the material in the developed module. This is the figure about the initial design which is part of the online module content. At this stage, a pretest is also carried out to determine the level of critical thinking students. Based on first tabel about data normality test result pretest value of critical thinking ability, we can know that both of them have the same critical thinking ability, are expert validation and division. Based on the assessment of material expert and media expert, we know that the online module developed is in the very valid category. Display of the module prototype 1 is as shown in this following figure. And then this revision of the online module prototype 1 results in a prototype online module 2. And then the fourth stage are small-scale field test and product review. And product revision. At this stage, the researchers test the prototype module 2 to 6 students. Based on students' responses to online module prototype 2, it is known that this module is very practical and easy to use. Revisions were made to the learning media prototype 2 based on the reviews, comments, and suggestions that the student had given at this module stage. The result of the revision of the online module prototype 2 are called the online module prototype 3. This is the part of the online module based on discovery learning after being revised. The last stage are significant skill field test and last product. The result of students' responses in the field test stage on aspect practicality and easy to use are very good. Then a post-test was also carried out to measure students' critical thinking abilities. This is the figure about increase in the average critical thinking ability. We start from independent sample test for critical thinking ability. It is found that the average difference in change in critical thinking ability from the pretest and post-test result or the gain score can be seen if the use of discovery learning based online modules that are developed is effective to improve students' critical thinking abilities. There are three advantages about discovery learning based online module. In research, we can conclude that the procedure of development of discovery learning based online module to improve the critical thinking ability of elementary school teacher education students took some steps. They are doing project development analysis, developing beginning project, export validation and revision, small-scale field test and product revision, and the last are significant scale field tests, and past projects. The research results showed that the quality of online module based on discovery learning project in validation aspect fulfill very good criteria based on the mark from a material expert, media expert, and students. This module was proven to improving students' critical thinking ability. That's all for us. I'm so sorry for my mistakes. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.